The University of Maine had the chance today to demonstrate designs for an adaptive vehicle. Seniors involved in mechanical engineering technology designed a low-cost adaptive vehicle for people in Mozambique who've lost legs from landmines. The vehicles must fill unique requirements like hand power, wheelchair accessibility, and stability on rough desert terrain. Each year, students in Professor Herb Crosby's capstone course take on a relevant problem for their senior projects and present them as part of Maine Day activities on campus.
We got a call from a lady with an aid organization in Mozambique asking if we could design a new low-cost tricycle for people with no legs, and it seemed like an ideal project for our students.
The students had less than $200 to spend on their projects. The World Health Organization estimates there are about 3 million landmines in Mozambique, which have killed or maimed thousands.
For a good cause, we'll show you a special tricycle they've created for the handicapped. Don't go away. Students spent their day riding tricycles for the handicapped. Our Aaron Jackson explains.
It was Maine Day at the University of Maine, and although many were doing their part to clean up the campus, a group of engineering students were busy riding tricycles.
We got a call from a lady with an aid organization in Mozambique asking if we could design a new low-cost tricycle for people with no legs, and it seemed like an ideal project for our students.
They have a limited amount of wheelchairs, and the wheelchairs they do have don't go very well off-road. So the idea behind this was that they would have a better off-road capability. They got their cargo carrying capacity here. They can carry their water, food, goods to sell, stuff like that.
Each team spent close to 500 hours designing and manufacturing the vehicles for practical use.
With this design, you get to use your abdominal muscles, your pectoral muscles, as well as all of your arm muscles, and it just allows you to have more endurance.
The project created quite the real-life learning experience for the students involved.
They've developed good team building skills. They've learned to, research customer needs. Not just design something, but figure out the problems and make it work, or hopefully make it work.
Today, the students tested the brakes, speed, and endurance of the bikes, with some working better than others. In the end, Team Orange won the relay and the overall competition, receiving their hard-earned award.
We give an A to the top team, so it's kind of exciting to win this thing.
It's expected that some of the designs will now be manufactured for use in Mozambique. In Orono, Aaron Jackson, your Bangor News.
Imagine how hard it would be for you to go to the store or get into your home if you didn't have use of your legs. For victims of landmines in the African country of Mozambique, even those daily tasks can be difficult. Since last fall, engineering students at the University of Maine have been working to help victims in that country. And as News Center's Mike DeSuma shows us, give them a more mobile way of life.
Simon Rice is demonstrating how to use this hand-powered tricycle wheelchair. The UMaine senior engineering student and his team have worked on its creation and construction since the beginning of the school year. He says comfort was the top priority.
We incorporated a laid-back design. It's all made out of lawn chair type fabric right here. It's supported with parachute cord, so it's very comfortable. There are no pressure points.
But creating relaxing rides wasn't the only goal of these engineering majors. 5 teams of students developed 5 chairs for the charity organization Core Plan International. The chairs are prototypes, whose designs will be used to provide victims of landmines in Mozambique with better mobility. Similar chairs will most likely be built by natives in that country. It's why the students had to try to keep material costs low and plans simple.
I'd like to have the technology so simple. We could build these in Mozambique with simple tools, not the machine shops that we have here in the U.S. So this would be a type of employment and also a useful way to get around.
Steering lock comes into play.
The students also had to prepare their vehicles to meet any off-road challenge. Blair Richardson and Doug Moore made their chair capable of switching gears, adding a steering lock for tough hills.
It can aid with somebody who's getting used to the trike, because a lot of people tend to weave and they pull, and the wheel will wobble quite a lot because they're not used to it. So they can lock the pin in and go straight and kind of learn to develop those muscles to go straight.
After construction ended, hours of test runs began, as these chairs had to prove their muster on stairs, trails, and even inches of mud. For the guys who worked on them, all that labor had its purpose.
It feels good to be able to leave the university and hopefully have them use our design.
It would be really neat to kind of actually see this get off the ground, and they could apply some of these technologies in other parts of their life over there as well.
Putting creative talents to use to help people a world away. In Orono, Mike DeSuma, News Center.
And designs for the chairs will go to help Coreplan International with its cause.
I got it. Yeah. Then they got to pick up a bucket?
Right. The steps are going to be the good part.
Oh, this is great.
I don't know why you didn't follow anything else. Get it on there. Get it on there. Start! Good! Come on, Mingo! Go! Take him out! Stay close to the tree! Stay close to the tree! Again! Clear! Hug the tree! Hug the tree! Pass him, Mingo! Pass him! Yeah! All right!
Wow.
Turn it on, Matt Ryan!
Do they have to go around the trees again?
No. They have to go up the library steps, though.
Each team does?
Yeah. There's a detour around the back, which I think one will take.
Each team has to go around the steps?
Yeah, watch. It's going to be good.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Come down here.
Great. Here we go.
Let's go! Blair!
Wow. Look at that.
Make it.
Wheelchair transfers. Watch the transfer.
Come on. Just take it off. Let's go without it.
Can we adjust this right now?
Yeah.
Here we go. Come on. John, I hope you make some Wheaties. Oh, yeah. Ready now. Go!
Go, Dixie, go! Woo!
These guys come through.
Oh, gee.
Go!
Oh, look at that.
Right here.
Go, Ben, go!
Shit! Come on, Ben! You can catch up! Come on, Ben! Keep cranking! Come on, Ben! I guess the orange team. Go, Levi! Good, Ben! Go, Levi!
It's exciting.
Load comes off at the end of this lap.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Get ready! Here, Levi. In the pit! Push forward. Dixon! Go!
Oh, wow. Got a contest here.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, yeah, they're serious.
They are.
Go, Sean!
Don't wear yourself out. I know. Go, Brad! That's it! Go, Brad! Come on, John!
Oh, gee.
Come on, John! Break it!
Break, Brad!
Brad, fix it! Come on, John! John! Come on, John! Brad! Come on, Brad! Do it, Brad! Come on, do it! Push it! Come on! Go! Come on! Hey, Sean! Come on! Let's go, Brad! All right, buddy. Back here. Come on, John! Come on, Sean! Where are you? Come on, John!
Forward.
Come on, Jake!
Come on, Jake!
Come on, Jake! Do it!
Wow.
Go! Come on! Hurry up!
Josh is catching you, Jake!
Go, Jake!
Come on, Josh! Go, Larson! Come on, Jake! Let's go, Cookson! I'm waiting.
Come on, Jake!
Come on, Jake! Go, Cookson! Take the pass! Levi, get on him! Go, Jake!
Come on, Jake! Come on, Jake! Get your arms into it, guy! Faster!
Come on, Larson! Catch him on his red! Come right there. All right! Good job, Jake. Good job, Jake.
Excellent!
11, 15, 28. Nice run, big guy. You got it. Good job. All you. How the guns doing? Good?